Hello everyone. How are you guys today? So I am in Tenerife. Now we're walking around. We try to walking the street. So let's see how is everything here in Tenerife. I have somebody who already comment my channels. He said you are not in Tenerife there when I make a video from my apartment, so it's there, but I want to show this is Tenerife. So anyway, some people they know everything, but sometimes they don't know nothing. So in this way I want to show where I am, and it's better to know where I am because to not make confuse. So anyway, now is about 25 degrees here in Adeje, Tenerife. It's about 3 o'clock afternoon. So let's walking around. So on this area is only the millionaire house. Some of people they are so rich who live there. So this is looking amazing. Tenerife is nice actually. It's the temperature all the time the same. So it's nice actually to be here. So anyway, I want to say everything about I doing here Tenerife because I'm not on only holiday. So me and Mickey, my wife, were almost moving here back. We're moving here for all the time because we decide that to do because I think it's better for us the temperature. This is our decide the life because it's so nice to be here all the time, to be the same weather, so also temperature. And also if you need here to see how it's cold day, you can go on the mountain. So there is the mountain. If you go up in 25 minutes you have already 7 degrees. So this is an amazing place. I mean, on this island is you can find everything actually, hot, cold and everything, you know. So that's why we decided to be here because I love. So that, and I hope you can subscribe me or share this video. This is very important for me. It's help, and for you it's free. You don't need to pay anything. It's cost zero for you. Also for me actually. I mean, I don't get any money until now from YouTube. So I hope one day I wanna get €1. If it's up to you, if you can share the video sometime for me, and it's very important for me. Like that way I can make you more video and show you more things here. I wanna go on some trip here to see the wild and dolphin on the ocean. In front of me is the ocean, and So look how it's looking. Now it's really hot and nice temperature. I think it's perfect weather for the life. Not very hot, not very cold, so it's normal in this way. So let's try to see. I hope you see me, but I want to show you more in front to me than show you my body, my face. Sometime I wanna do here and I wanna do live if you want, and I will show you live, and you can comment, you can ask, and ask any question. What I see here is all the car here in this place is every car is crashed. I mean, I don't know. Only this I see the bad things. I mean, it's not any car which one is not a little bit crashed or so maybe I have a car here, but till now I didn't drive nothing because I want to see more how is the traffic before to make any so first of all I like to see the island by walk, and I mean also the area, this place, and after I want to drive if I need. For the moment for me it's very nice because I can walk, and I need sometimes this. Look, this car is already crashed, so every car is almost crashed everywhere. So this is the style maybe. So it's not good idea to have a nice car here or expensive car, because maybe you'll find destroyed by somebody. Too small. So this is the highway to go to around the island from Los Cristianos to Santa Cruz de Tenerife. Uitați-și pe Mikaela. She's happy. Always when she go outside, she's very happy. Yeah. So it's full of people, but on weekend there's a lot of people. Sunday, Saturday, it's like ants everywhere. People, big ants. I'm ants. A lot of car for rent or motorbike. It's everywhere. Motorbike for rent or car or whatever you like it. If you need any car different. A lot of, it's actually nice. Let's see how it's going. If you become local people, the bus after is for free for everyone. So if you are in a transit here, like a holiday, the bus is not so expensive. So if it's like, I don't know, €5 per day, right? Something like that. Per, yeah. It's okay. And gas station and the petrol station is so cheap. It's €1.20. So this is the life is a little bit cheaper here, but it's good. Anyway, it's nice to be a little bit cheap. The salary is not so high, but you know, it's almost like okay. But in my job, I think it'll be okay for me because I have experience in the kitchen, and it'll be perfect for me. Salary. I cannot waiting until I will be. I go into the fishing one day. I want to see what kind of fish I can catch here, and I hope I can catch octopus, and so this I will make different story. So a lot of restaurant now. It's here is a hotel, big hotel here. If somebody needs any rent here, I can help. Or if you want to come holiday, I can help you with some rent. And I think good price for family. Huh? So anyway, let's see how it's going. It's a lot of shopping here with the local, and a lot of restaurant or place to make a massage, Thai massage. So I love the hotel, very nice hotel here. I think also it's very expensive. It's for rich people.
Y allí yo, exactamente, no te vayas, nada vamos a pillar de primera.
So good morning guys. So it's so beautiful to drink coffee. 6 o'clock morning. It's amazing. On this view, actually. Swimming pool here. So it looks like in somewhere in Santorini. But we're in Tenerife, so anyway, so I'll be relaxing here after. I wanna relax here today, and maybe I will make I will do live video today with you, and I hope you enjoy me and subscribe or share. You'll and here is the mountain. Look. So anyway, very soon there will come a new video, new vlog. So I wanna close this video here and see you in the next vlogging, next video. So I love you guys and thank you very much for how many people are watching me, and let's see the next video. Thank you guys. Have a good day. And don't forget, it's for free. Just press follow me and share the video with some of your friends if you want. This is help for me, and of course text me message or comment for me in my video is help, and for you it's free. Thank you and have a good day. I love you. Bye.